Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So myself Arun, and today in this video I'm going to explain a VBA form. This form actually I've created in VBA Excel, which for one of my client. Actually I'm a freelancer also, so I work on freelancer and Upwork also. So just this form basically takes the data from the user. Just let me show you how does this work. I'm clicking on this button that is launch form, and this form is populated. So this is basically a form which uh, gets the data to the user, and this is my client. And here I have created some of the drop down as per the requirement of form, and I can just show you or walk through this form uh, one by one. So here we have four buttons, that is add, reset, update, and search button also I've created, and a delete button. So if I'm going to explain a summary, I can just add the below information in this form. And once I click on add button, then the whole content will be added and can be shown here. As you can see, we have a lot of data which we already created through this form. So to add the data, I'm resetting this data right now. As we can see, the whole form is get resetted. And then if I want to update this value, let's say this value, if I want to update any value, I click on this and then I click on update value, update button, and it is saying please make the required changes and click on add button to update. So what we will be doing is whatever the changes we would to be updating, we can click on this button to make this changes happen. So let's say I can just change the value to distribution, and then the sales rep would be Jack here instead of Ben. And let's say the investment amount should be 85. That's it. So these three changes I'm going to change right now, and I click on add button to make this changed values updated. I'm clicking on yes. As I can see now, the value is changed to Jack, and the invested amount also gets changed to $85 as we already do. So in this way, we can update the form. And let's say I want to delete this entry. So I can click on delete button, and it will ask me to delete this record. So I'm saying yes, and then this record has been deleted. So this is kind of form I just created from one of my client. And if you require any assistance or if you require any help in regarding to create a form, likewise, so I can help you out. I can show you my profile. You can just this is my profile. So this is my Upwork profile. I'm a senior data analyst, and I will be sharing you my links of freelancer and Upwork profile. So you can just click me, hire me buttons, and I'll be most helpful in Excel work, Python, and R Studio, and linear equations, data analysis, any kind of data analysis I can provide you. So this is my freelancer profile. I did a lot of jobs. You can just go through this and create dashboards, Power BI dashboards, and linear programming through Excel solver, which I already been uh, doing. So these all are the stuffs I'm doing. And if you are happy or if you are interested in this VBA form to be created, or you like some customizations in this form, you can easily contact me via WhatsApp or freelancer, anything, I would be happy and will definitely share you the updates and we can just went through. So thank you. Thank you everyone. So this is all in this video and I hope uh, if you like it. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. We'll talk to you soon.